Oh, wait.
Yep.
Can you make your way down to the mom guys, please?
Yeah, I'll try.
Yep.
Um,
I might be there and get them in 1 second. Okay, I just got a diamond.
Buying a bunch of smocks.
wait, so are you getting the guy,
You ain't got a diamond.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Go back to Cav.
I'll try to fly my ass to moms before they deplete out. We'll have like 2 more minutes.
I'd like if you guys tonight, Lewis.
Lewis, what?
For just fucking shooting me as soon as I fucking revived him. As soon as
Alright,
he got up, he just popped me.
Message him saying he's gonna be denied to the end of the world by RSS. He's
Alright.
gonna be denied RSS to the end of the world.
Okay.
Yeah, the mom's guy died.
Bro.
Hey, Reapers. Okay, before you disappointed.
What?
Me?
Reaper. Okay, before you disappointed.
What?
We send dog correction minute and spell minute correctly.
What's happened to me?
I'll make him mad.
Is it okay if I pull you up to support?
Support? Yeah.
I just talking about. I said, what am I being pulled for?
That for support.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
Okay, so apparently you denied this guy.
Who?
I'd like to know why.
Me.
Who's me? I don't know.
Jesus.
Jesus? I'm an EMT.
Yeah.
I can't go to red zones.
We're not in a red zone.
You, bro.
We weren't in a red zone.
You was at Rebel.
No, we weren't, nigga.
Yeah, you were.
No, we weren't, my nigga. We fucking flew in the
Okay,
power lines in the middle of fuck nowhere.
Don't say that, or I'm just gonna move you out.
Don't say what.
Don't say the M word, I'm just gonna move you out if you do.
You do it. Okay, well, alright, whatever.
Well, not, cause when I looked at you,
Anywhere, and then another medic finally said, okay, we'll come get you, but they didn't move at all, and we just ended up bleeding out, because we were waiting there for about 15 minutes or so.
well, one of the guys had to restart because his game was bugged, so I was the only person on at the moment. When I checked the map to look where you were at Rebel. I was like,
promise you, we were not at Rebel.
bro.
100% guaranteed.
On the map, it said that Jesus was at Rebel.
We were nowhere near Rebel.
Have you got proof
We
of
were
this?
by diamond processing in that area. Do I have proof of this? I have fucking screenshots. That's about it.
I mean, bro. I think if my recording caught some of it, I do have video of maybe one of your guys being at Rebel, so.
We were at Rebel when we first started, and then we flew about 5 or 6K. We were going towards Heroin Pro.
Well,
And in the middle, right at, like, pretty close to Blackwater Armory, not in the circles or anything. But
Am I talking the dog or Jesus?
Jesus.
Jesus? Yeah. For me, okay, so from my point of view, you were still at Rebel. You're
The rebel above Athera.
the level. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we left there a fucking minute ago, dude.
Well, your thing wasn't moving at all, so
We crashed in the power line. It's like 5K away from Rebel. So
you were still at Rebel for me. I can't help if the game bugs and still says you're at Rebel.
alright, that's fucking awesome. Thanks for the help, guys. Really helpful.
User disconnected from your channel.
All right. Damn. Bro, it's not in my power. What the fuck? All right. Hey, yo. Can I get Lewis in here? Like, do you know who Lewis is, bro?
No.
Fucking A. He shot me as soon as I revived him. Like, bruh.
Ask him to come to support them.
I did, bro.
He's not here yet.
He's not here. I'm mad. I don't kill people. I res people, bro. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back to my group, if that's alright with you guys.
Yeah, by all means. Have a nice day.
Alright, you too, man. Server one.
Channel switched.
Oh, senior support.
I'm back.
Like they can pick like a ghost hawk or
No.
run, but they can't pick it every month. They pick a ghost hawk and they gotta switch to something else and they gotta switch back. That's what I always hear. That's why
No.
DP has like freaking 15 ghost hawks.
I cannot see that being. I don't see that being what.
I've always
support
heard
DBT.
that.
Was Jesus still at Rebel for you guys, like when you looked on the map?
I don't know.
What?
Don't know.
Oh. Well, for me, he was still at Rebel, and now he's pissed because I denied him because I'm an ENT and I can't go there, so.
What, behind Jesus?
Yeah.
No, he was by Diamond Trader right then.
Well, his little thing wasn't moving on the map for me, so.